Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to join iCloud family plans on iPhone, how can you join? So, to join your family plan, you need to have family members or friends first, and they have to invite you to join their family plan. So, I will explain clearly how to do. So, open your setting on your mobile phone first, and this is your home screen. This is your setting home screen, right? So, and what you have to do is click your Apple ID here. And to join a family sharing group, as I mentioned before, you have to be invited from your families or friend. You can get invitation letter first. And if you accept the request, you will be able to add as a members on your family iCloud family plan. And also, if you want to set up a family, you can go ahead to family setup here and you can invite your family members or your friends or your companions as well. So here, you can share current and future subscription, including iCloud Plus, Apple Music, and Apple TVs. And share package can allow you to use application movies as well, and you can also set parental control to your kids. So if you want to set, just continue to set up, and you need to invite your family. So if you want to invite other, just click it, and you need to you can also invite your family members by invitation link here. Or not, if you want to invite with their Apple ID code, you can also invite as well. So just invite your family members and then just click to add your family member at here, and you can now be able to use on your family plan. So that's how to join iCloud family plans on iPhone, guys. You can also add other by copying the link on off. If you got the invitation, you can just see on your phone. You will get a message notification on your Apple ID setting and just accept the invitation. So by doing that, you can join iCloud family plans on your iPhone easily. So it's really essential one if you want to share with your family members or friends. So I hope this will help you a lot, guys. Thank you so much and see you back.